To share the Hearthrate sensor of your Polar Critics Pro to another device, you will need to start an activity. So press the lower left button and select Start Training with the right button. Then select the activity you want to do. And before you start it, hit the gear on the upper left corner and go down to Share Hearthrate with other devices. From here, you can add a new device, and on the other device, this is where you will need to pair it. Actually, I don't have any pairing device close, so it will just not get it. But anyway, when it will be connected, you can come back here again and then start your activity, and it will share your Hearthrate. You don't need to do that every time. If you are doing an activity that needs to share the Hearthrate, and know that by default some activity is enabling the Hearthrate sharing by default. So if we're looking into the Polar apps, you will want to come into Sport Profiles. Did you see Sport Profiles? No, you didn't see it. So if you go into Sport Profiles just right here and you select an indoor activity, so let's say for example this one, other indoor, you edit, and if you go down here you will see HR visible to other devices, so you can disable or enable it as you wish. At the end you hit done to save it, and that's pretty much how you share your Hearthrate sensor of the Polar Critics Pro to another device. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care. See ya.